Hello guys, in this video I will be discussing Module 1 Lesson 2, which is entitled Conversion of Units. So in solving physics problem, you have to be dimensionally consistent every time you use an equation, and then you have to use your units in calculations. So that is the most important thing in solving a problem, okay? Then these are the unit conversion factors. You have to memorize this from SI to English units, okay? From time to time, I will be calling people or calling students to um, give me the conversion factor, okay, of a unit measurement. So let's proceed to example number 1. The world land speed record of 763 miles per hour, okay, was set on October 15, 1997. Express this speed in meters per second. So we have a given, which is 763.0 miles per hour. We have to convert it to what? Meters per second. So what conversion factors do we need? Of course, we have 1 mile is equals to 5 to 80 feet. And then 1 meter is equivalent to 3.281 feet. Yan. Hindi kasi natin kailangan si feet, ang kailangan natin is meters. So 1 hour to seconds, we have 1 hour is equals to 3,600 seconds. So let's solve. So 763.0 miles per hour. So kailangan makancel si miles, diba? So we have to put it sa denominator para mag-cancel. 1 mile, 5 to 80 feet. Okay? Hindi natin kailangan si feet. Kailangan mag-cancel siya. So, kailangan natin meter. Lagyan natin si feet sa denominator. 3.281 feet. 1 meter. Okay. Hour, gawin natin seconds. So, kailangan makancel si hour. Lagay natin sa numerator. 1 hour ay equivalent sa 3,600 seconds. Okay? Then, tignan natin. Mile, cancel. Feet, cancel. Hour, cancel. So, matitira na lang ay meters at saka seconds. Okay? So, i-calculate na natin. Meron akong calculator here. Sabi niya ay 763 times 5 to 80 times 1 divided by 3.281 times 1 over 3,600. Okay, so the answer is our answer is 341. Okay. $341.1 meters per second. Okay, so that is our final answer. So let's proceed to the next example. Yeah. One of the world's largest cut diamonds is the first star of Africa. Its volume is 1.84 cubic inches. What is its volume in cubic centimeters and cubic meters? So we have a given of 1.84 inches cube. Kailangan daw natin siya i-convert to what? Centimeter cube o at saka meter cube. Okay? So, anong conversion factor ang kailangan natin? 1 inch is equals to 2.54 centimeter. Okay? And 1 meter is equivalent to 100 centimeter. So, kailangan na natin. So, we have to i-set natin to 1.84 inches cube. Kailangan makancel si inches. So, kailangan makancel si ilagay natin sa cube natin kasi cube to. Okay. and then 2.54 centimeter. Dahil kinube natin yung baba, syempre, i-cube din natin ito. Okay? Then, the answer should be 1.84 times 2.54 cube. That is equivalent to 30.15 centimeter. Okay. So, ito naman, kailangan natin ng meter cube. So, 30.15 centimeter cube, multiply naman natin para ma-convert siya into meters. Kailangan makancel sa centimeter cube, so ibababa natin. Okay. Yan, cube natin kasi naka-cube siya. So, 1 meter cube. So, ito, multiply lang natin sa 1 over 100 cube. That is equivalent to 3.015 times 10 raised to negative 5 meter cube. So this is our final answer. Okay. So next, let's proceed. Okay. So uncertainty and insignificant figures. When we say uncertainty, it is the maximum difference between the measured value and the true value. Or in other words, ito po yung tinatawag nating error. Okay? Pag sinabi naman nating accuracy, it is how close is the measurement to the true value. Okay? So, ito, kumbaga, kung gaano ka-accurate or kung gaano kalapit. Kung gaano kalapit sa totoong measurement. Okay? So, ang proper notation of accuracy is 56.47 plus minus 0.02 mm. Ang ibig sabihin po nito is pwedeng ang totoong value is plus 0.02 or minus 0.02. So, ibig sabihin, kung magpa-plus tayo, 56.47 plus 0.02, 56.49. Okay? Pag mag-minus naman tayo, 47 minus 0.02, 54, 56.45. So, ang true value natin ay mag-range 56.45 to between 56.49. So, ito, dyan, nag-range yung true value natin. So, hindi sigurado. Yan yung error niya, okay? Pag ganito namang notation, ang ibig sabihin yan, kung i-convert natin sa ganitong notation, 1.645421 ay equivalent sa 1.6454 plus minus 0.0021. Okay? So, para makuha natin yung true value or range niya, 1.6454 plus 0.0021, that would be 1.6475. Pag nag-minus naman tayo, 1.6433. So, ang true value niya ay pwedeng from 1.6433 hanggang 1.6475. Dito siya nagre-range. Yan ang ibig sabihin ng notation na yan. Pag sa percentage naman, pwede rin. So, ibig sabihin, kukunin mo muna kung ano yung 10% ng measured value. Dito, 4.7 ang 10%. Okay? Siyempre, 10%. Okay? So, ano mangyayari? 4.7, 47 plus 4.7, that is 7, 52. Pag nag-minus naman tayo, 4.7, that is 42. So, magre-range yung values nito from 42.3 to 52.7 ohms. Okay? So, yun ang ibig sabihin ng accuracy. Okay? Next, let's proceed to significant figures. Pag sinabi natin significant figures kasi, Kung naalala nyo sa math, that is the number of meaningful digits. So, sabihin, pag non-zero digit, that is significant. Automatic yan. Pag hindi zero, significant siya. Any zeros between two significant figures are significant. So, any zero na nasa gitna ng non-zero digit ay significant. The final zero or trailing zeros in the decimal portion only are significant. So, yung mga trailing zero. So, for example, dito sa example natin, 2.91. Wala namang zero dyan. So, that is 3 significant figures. Okay? So, 137, meron din tayong 3 significant figures. Dito, meron tayong dalawa. Okay? Hindi natin sinama si zero dyan kasi hindi siya kasama dun sa law. Sabi niya, trailing zero. Hindi naman trailing zero. Sabi niya sa decimal portion ang trailing zero. Ito namang 0.250 ay meron tatlo. Significant figure. Kasi, diba, trailing zero. Yung zero niya ay nasa decimal portion. Trailing, nasa dulo ha. Nasa dulo. After decimal point. So, 3 significant figures. So, for example, meron tayong 5,000. Okay? So, ilan ang significant figure nito? Apat ba? No, isa lang. Kasi, any zeros after the decimal portion ang significant lang. So, pag zero before the before the decimal portion is insignificant. So, isa lang. So, kapag ganito naman, 5, 0, 0.0. Yan. Ilan ang significant figure? Isa lang ba? No. Magiging apat na yan kasi significant figure daw yung after decimal portion, diba? Tapos, ito ay pasok dun sa any zeros between significant figures. So, magiging apat na yung significant figure nito. Okay? Paano naman kapag 0.00250? Okay. Yung zero, ang significant figure nito ay tatlo. Ma'am, paano po naging tatlo? Ito lang po kasi yung significant. Before, yung zero before, hindi siya trailing zero ang tawag dyan. Kaya, hindi siya counted as significant figure. Pero kapag, halimbawa, 0.002500, ilan na significant figure? Ito, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 5 significant figure. Pero kapag 0.002, ilan na significant figure? Isa lang po. Kasi hindi po counted yung zeros na before the decimal point. Okay? Alright. So, ma'am, ano naman pong silbi ng significant figure sa uncertainty? Ang ibig lang pong sabihin kasi, para lang din siyang notation ng accuracy. So, for example, 2.91. Tatlo ang significant figure nito. Ito, sure siya dito. Pero dun sa last, hindi siya sure. So, parang ganito yan. 2.91 plus minus 0.01. Yan yung uncertainty niya. Okay? So, 137 kilometers. Tatlong significant figure. Yung last is plus minus 1 kilometer. Ganun siya. So, kumbaga parang silent or subtle way lang ang significant figures para mag-express ng accuracy. Okay? Next. So, next, paano po i-apply yung significant figures pag nag-multiply tayo or divide or adding or subtraction. Kapag multiplication, you have to follow the number of significant figures ng fewest. Okay, so for example dito, meron tayong 3, 4, 2 significant figure. Ang susundin mo is yung 2 significant figure. So, kapag nagsagot ka, dapat yung sagot mo is 2 significant figure din. Okay, hindi pwedeng 3, hindi pwedeng 4. Yung 2 significant figure lang. So, dito naman, pag ganitong scientific notation, ang counted lang na significant figure is yung ganyan at saka yung ganito. So, dito, meron tayong ilang significant figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Yan. Dito is 3. Okay? So, ano susundin natin dapat? Dapat yung sagot mo ay may 3 significant figure, kaya 5.45 lang ang nilagay niya. Times 10 raised to 4. Dito naman, pag plus or minus, hindi yung sa dami ng significant figure, pero yung pwesto ng decimal point mo. So, for example, dito, meron kang 3 decimal places. Dito, isa. Ito, 2. So, ang susundin mo is yung pinaka-few decimal places. Isa lang to. So, dapat yung sagot mo, isa lang din yung decimal places. So, ganun siya. Okay? So, next. Scientific notation naman. Pag sinabi natin scientific notation is para siyang shortcut ng longest, yung habang expression. So, dito, meron tayong 384 million. Pwede natin siyang isulat as 3.84 times 10 raised to 8. So, yung decimal point mo. So, from dito na decimal point, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kaya raised to 8 siya. So, yung 200, pwede natin siyang isulat na 2 times 10 raised to 2. Diba? 1, 2. Okay? Ito, pwede natin siyang isulat as sa long method, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, ganon. Yan din yung number of zeros niya. So, 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0, 0. Ganyan po siya isusulat. Ngayon, ano pong silbi ng scientific notation naman sa significant figures at uncertainty? Kasi, halimbawa, si 200, gusto mo na ang significant figure niya ay 2. Okay? Pero kapag ganito mo siya sinulat, 1 significant figure lang yan. Kasi, diba, yung 0 after a significant before the decimal point ay hindi counted. So, ito isang 1 significant figure. Ito din ay 1 significant figure. Paano mo siya isusulat ng 2 significant figure? Pwede mo siyang isulat as 2.0 times 10 raised to 2. Parehas lang yung sagot na 200, pero ito ay may 2 significant figure kasi naglagay ka ng decimal point. Okay? Paano naman kapag halimbawa gusto mo 3? Pwede mong gawing 2.00 times 10 raised to 2. Yan. So, ganun siya nag-work. So, for example, ito, baka magkamali kayo dito. Kasi ito, diba, naglagay pa ako ng 2 0 dun sa dulo. Kasi, 3 significant figure siya. Ayan, no? Okay. Pero, pwede kung halimbawa, 1 significant figure only, 4 times 10 raised to negative 7 lang. Yan. So, ang magiging sagot niya ay 0.1. Yan. Yan. Okay. So, ganyan lang kapag 1 significant figure. So, magkaiba to sa ito. In terms of significant figures and accuracy. Ha? Okay. Pero, pares lang ng value, pero yung uncertainty or accuracy nila ay magkaiba. Okay? So, next. Ano bang ibig sabihin ng precision at accuracy? When you say precise, it is the measure of how close yung measured values mo from each other. Okay? Pag sinabi mo namang accuracy, ito yung how close is your measurement from the true value. Kung gaano siya kalapit do sa true value or yung totoong measurement, okay? So, ito, tingnan nyo siya. High accuracy to, pero low precision. High accuracy kasi nakuha niya yung target. However, low precision kasi hindi magkakalapit yung values niya. Okay? Pag low accuracy, high precision naman, magkakalapit yung nakuha niyang values, yun nga lang, malayo doon sa true value, which is the target. Pag high accuracy, high precision, magkakalapit na nga, nakuha pa nila yung target. So that is the difference between precision and accuracy. Okay? So example number 3, the rest energy E of an object with rest mass m is given by Albert Einstein's famous E is equals to mc squared, where c is the speed of light in vacuum. Find E for an electron for which 2 to 3 significant figures. M is equals to 9.11 times 10 raised to negative 31 kilogram. The SI unit for E is the joule, okay? So, ang given natin dito ay E is equals to mc squared. Yan, okay? Ang given natin ay 9.11 times 10 raised to negative 31 kilogram. Ang unit na kailangan natin ay joule. Ang joule ay unit ng what? Work. Ang work ay equivalent sa force times distance. Ang force natin ay Newton. Okay? Newton. Ang distance natin, syempre, ay meter. So, ang joule ay equivalent sa Newton meter. Pero ang Newton ay kilogram meter per second squared. Diba? Times, Newton lang pa, times meter pa. So, ang joule natin ay equivalent sa kilogram meter squared second squared. So, ganyan dapat ang lalabas na unit. Okay? So, let's solve E. Ano pa pala yung C natin? Ang C natin ay equivalent sa 2.99792458 times 10 raised to 8 meters per second. Okay? Then, let's solve. E is equals to 9.11. 9.11 times 10 raised to negative 31 kilogram times 2.99792458 times 10 raised to 8 meters per second squared. Okay, kasi c squared. So, gamit tayo ng calcu. Yan. So, gumamit tayo ng calcu. 9.11 exponent negative 31 times 2.99792458 exponent 8 squared. Yan. So, ang sagot natin is 8.18 times 10 raised to negative 14. Ma'am, bakit nag-round off ka? Ito na yung significant figure. Tignan mo ha, 9.11, ilang significant figure ba? Tatlo. Yung 2.9999 blah blah blah. Ilan yan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Okay? So, ano susundin natin? Siyempre, yung fewest. Okay? So, dapat ito yung susundin. Tatlo. So, ilang joule ba? Ay, ano yung unit natin, diba? Kilogram? Meter squared, second squared. Okay. So, ito ay equivalent din sa joule. Okay. So, ito na po yung final answer natin. Okay. Yan. So, next, let's proceed. Last example. The density of material is equal to its mass divided by its volume. What is the density in kilogram per meter cube? Of a rock of mass, meron tayong given na 1.80 kilogram and a volume of 6.0 times 10 raised to negative 4 meter cube. Ano hinahanap natin? Density. Density, which is also designated as raw mass over volume. So, let's solve kasi ang kailangan lang naman natin kilogram per meter cube, makukuha naman natin siya. So, 1.80 kilogram over 6.0 times 10 raised to negative 4 meter cube. Pag kinalculate natin siya, 1.8 divided by 6.0 exponent -4. So, ang sagot ay 3,000 kilogram per meter cube. Pero, kung titingnan natin, hindi pa to final answer. Bakit, ma'am? Kasi diba, ilang significant figure to? 3. Ito, 2. Kailangan 2 lang significant figure mo. So, kung ito yung sagot mo, medyo mali. Okay? Dapat, sundin mo yung process ng significant figure or yung ruling ng significant figure. Kailangan ko ng 2. So, kailangan 2, 3.0 times what? 1, 2, 3 times 10 raised to 3 kilogram per meter cube. Yan. Ito talaga yung tamang sagot. Kasi, binibigay mo sa kanila yung tamang uncertainty. At sumusunod ka sa law o ruling ng significant figure. Okay? Pag ito sagot mo, hindi ka nakinig kay mama. Okay? Next. Yan. So, meron tayong self-assessment questions. Yung template, pakigamit. Ito. Yan. Yan. In-upload ko na yan sa Files tab. And, ang submission nito is after Module 1. So, ipon-ipon muna. Okay? Pag-ipon muna. Lesson 2 pa lang tayo. So, ano lang, pakigawa na, pakisolve na para pagpasa na is madali na lang isubmit. Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much.